know Stanley Steamer is the one to call for professional cleaning. But did you also know we're the ones to call in a water emergency? With a fleet of over 3,000 vans, we get there fast, 24/7. Our certified technicians remove the water you can see and the water you can't. They thoroughly test every area and document it all for your insurance company. We hope this never happens to you, but if it does, call 1-800-STEAMER. Everyone knows Stanley Steamer is the one to call for professional cleaning.
Points, just like at the blueprint.
Place à la bonne humeur avec Atémil. Rendez-vous sur McDonald's.fr. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta.
We found this help the same. Which give more as most.